show preparation. Before I continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe. For those viewers natin na hindi pa naka-follow and subscribe, please do like and subscribe na mga ka-groomers para naman mag-grow tong channel natin. And also, you will be updated on more videos to come. And also, mga ka-groomers, I just want to invite everyone in advance for our 81st Adlaw sa Aurora Badak Festival. This is our third Pride of Aurora National Actual Goldfish Show this coming November 10, 11, and 12. So 10, that is Friday. That is our for early binge in. So yung mga groomers, you can always send me a message if ever you want to you want me personally na mag-handle ng mga isda niyo kasi may malapit tayong airport dito, especially on Visayas and Manila kasi Cebu and Manila lang yung flight na malapit sa airport natin. And of course, mga ka-groomers, for those mga ka-groomers na you want to join our actual show, you can always contact Marky Kikoy for our handler. So, from Cagayan, Davao, Bukidnon, Malaybalay, dyan, kahit saan dyan, mga ka-groomers, Marky Kikoy will be the one to, I can recommend Marky Kikoy to handle your fish, mga groomers. Of course, Marky Kikoy, what is the #1 groomer in the Philippines? Okay, so mga groomers, our judges for our actual show this coming November, that would be Sir Tikoy House, Sir Bra, and of course, Mr. Roland Yu. Okay, so again, so much for that, mga groomers. Since we're talking about actual show, so I'm gonna share with you lang, mga ka-groomers, yung mga dapat gawin or basic na dapat gawin on preparing your goldfish before you bring your fish to the actual show or before you travel your fish. Okay? So first, mga ka-groomers, ito yung ginagawa ko, mga ka-groomers. Pasensya na yung lakad natin, medyo namamaga pa yung tuhod ko, mga ka-groomers. Grabe talaga yung medyo may konting accident lang. Okay? So much for that. Mga ka-groomers, ang ginagawa ko, ito yung mga quarantine tanks ko, mga ka-groomers, for shipping or show preparation. So first is I'm gonna clean the filter. But if ever hindi naman siya mandatory na may filter yung quarantine tanks yung mga ka-groomers. Kasi additional expenses na naman kasi yan. But for me, I just wanna make sure lang na healthy yung mga isda na isi-ship natin sa mga buyers natin. So, I added a filter. Kasi may mga isda kasi akong kino-quarantine na medyo more than 3 to 5 days para hindi talaga magka-ammonia spike. Okay? So, again, first thing I do, mga groomers, is i-clean ko muna yung filter kasi natatamaan ng ulan. So, after that, after adding water sa filter para ma-mix, para lumutang yung mga dumi. So, next thing I will do is I will clean the aquarium. May mga lumot kasi yan, mga groomers, as you can see on the video. Naka-direct sunlight kasi tayo, so pumapasok yung tubig ulan and then nagkakalumot yung tank natin. So, first thing to do is to remove the algae. So, both side at saka yung labas, nilinisan na rin natin for proper viewing para makita natin yung isda na kino-quarantine natin na wala talagang sakit. Especially, we're talking about show na mga isda natin. So, again, remove all the algae on the tank. The purpose of that, mga groomers, is para walang makain talaga yung isda na kino-quarantine natin. So, pag may nakakain kasi silang lumot, mga groomers, 90% or 100% talaga, kahit 2 to 3 days mo pa yan kino-quarantine dyan, tumatai pa rin yan pagdating sa show tank. Sa actual show, mga groomers, I'm referring to the, since we're talking about actual shows. So, tumatai pa rin yan, mga groomers. So, kaya nire-remove talaga lahat ng algae sa tank before natin i-quarantine, before we start the quarantine process of our show fish. So, ganyan yung process, ganyan yung ginagawa ko talaga, mga ka-groomers. So, clean the tank, remove all the algae, and also after that, remove all the water na nasa tank. And also, ginagamitan ko rin yan ng fish net para talaga matanggal talaga lahat ng pwedeng kainin ng mga isda. At saka, to make sure na clean yung water natin, mga ka-groomers. Okay, so after that, after removing all the water inside the tank, inside the quarantine tank, so maglagay na tayo ng water. So yung isda na gagamitin natin dito, mga groomers, as an example is hindi show potential or hindi para pang show. It's just for ano lang, para may makita talaga ba. Okay, so wait lang, mga ka-groomers. So after that, mga ka-groomers, after natin malagyan ng tubig, so the next thing to do na naman is to add salt. Rock salt, mga ka-groomers, yung nabibili natin sa sa market. So after adding after adding the salt, mga ka-groomers, add strong aeration. The purpose of the strong aeration, mga ka-groomers, is para talaga palaging nagpupoop yung mga isda natin. So malakas yung aeration, palagi silang nagpupoop. So at least pagdating sa show tank, mga groomers, hindi na sila nagtatai. Kasi yan yung tendency na if ever nagpupoop sila sa show tank, mga groomers, so ang tendency is magkaka-ammonia spike. Kasi wala namang filter yung mga show tank natin. Most of the time, biofoam lang yan at saka aeration. So kaya we need to make sure na within 2 to 3 days or 2 days, kahit 2 days lang, mga ka-groomers, na quarantine, okay na yan. Basta malinis lang talaga yung quarantine tank nyo. And of course, the purpose of putting the fish in a quarantine tank, which is same size with our show tank, is para masanay yung isda sa size ng tank na lalanguyan nila pagdating sa show. Again, as far as I remember, I already have a content for this, but since uso na kasi yung mga actual show, especially may coming ako na actual show, so why not giving you some information na makakatulong sa inyo pagdating ng panahon na gusto nyo nang sumali sa mga actual shows. So again, mga ka-groomers, the purpose of that is yung quarantine tank ko is almost the same size ng show tank. It's just malalim lang to. Pero yung water level na pagka-quarantinan ko is 12 inches. Kasi yung show tank, mga groomers, is 24 inches by 12. So para talaga masanay yung isda sa size ng tank at sa lalim ng tubig. So that's one of the purpose na nilalagay ko sila sa almost same size ng quarantine tank before isalang sa show. Para masanay sila at lumangoy na sila ng lumangoy. Kasi most of the time, mga groomers, ang mangyayari, pag malaki yung, of course, yung grooming tank natin, malaki talaga yan. So as you can see on the background, malaki yan yung gamit ko. So pag nasanay sila sa malaki na tank, mga groomers, at doon mo sila quarantine, so pagdating nila sa show tank, naninibago yung isda. So ang galaw ng isda is unlimited lang, at sometimes or most of the time is nasa gilid lang sila, nakatungangan. Okay? So again, mga groomers, hopefully may natutunan tayo for this content. And again, this is Fred Sinisa. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.